Pero ito nga, hear me out. Pakinggan nyo lang ang mga me, 2 seconds. Pero, what really has worked for me, mga sis, is even dun sa mga araw na I really don't feel like it, whenever I do my makeup, whenever I dress up, some way, somehow, I actually feel better. Kasi nga siguro parang therapy na rin siya, alam mo yon, na parang you're taking care of yourself. Na parang ka nagko-coloring book. Pag nag-coloring book ka after noon, di ba, parang feeling mo you're very productive. And I'll be honest, when you take care of yourself, when you exert effort, doors will be open for you. People will smile at you. People will treat you better. Kasi naturally, ang mga people inclined sa anything na parang maayos, di ba? So, all I'm saying is, if we take care of ourselves, it just doesn't help us psychologically. The world gives us back what we put in. Di ba? Parang karma. Di ba? Parang law of karma. So, don't be scared to wear what you love, mga mi. Kahit ano mga sasabihin nila, huwag mong isipin yung mga sasabihin ng mga tao. Because in the end, it always feels good to feel your best, di ba? And it doesn't hurt when we have to exert a little effort, di ba? In also looking our best, regardless of what people say. Love you and God bless. And I want you to know na you are beautiful in every way. Kasi maganda ka in every way.